Now we done bumped across this canyon in the middle of the woods. We're sitting on top of the hill. As you can see.
Don't go away on me. I ain't gonna make it.
This is beautiful. This is crazy though. And as long as we've been hanging here, we never known that this spot was here. Back here in the middle of the woods. You see, it's the house over there. We were like right on the edge of some little house. Looked like they might have a barn in the back of it. But I seriously doubt if it's their property. It's got some nice work going on it. I'm going to go down there and get some video of this work. Here. Pass this to Alan since he already facing this direction. Coming on down here, yo.
I don't know if I can make it back down. You know what I'm saying? I can hang jump.
You know, that's what I was thinking. Oh my God.
What? Hang jump? You talking about hang jump?
No. Oh, you could definitely hang jump. That ain't nothing to it.
No, there's Boy Scout ladder. Right, but then if I go down this way, I gotta come back up and back over the other way. Damn, Alan, I shouldn't even got in your way. I should let you go down. You're cool, man. Man, you look like an ant over there. Can't even see ya. Why doesn't this camera have zoom? I can hear it. Yeah. I can hear you. That's fine. I'm just gonna get out of Alan's way. Well, see, once you get your back balance on that, come up and turn around the other way and face that way. And I bet you will work. No, you're fine. I got it.
Now, your very last step is longer. All right, Steve, I want to throw you off.
I'm straight now. You want to do that? Nah, it's still going.
All right. Yo, the echo is ridiculous. Sound like the Bionic Man down this. What does that say, vagina? I just happened to notice that in the back of your head. Yeah. Vagina with a heart was here. Let's see who else. This is some serious stuff.
Thanks. I needed to do that, actually. I needed to do that. Now. Now we can see that.
Do a hell of a beatbox down here. Oh, you go. Yo, we are in the woods, bugging out in Baltimore, Maryland. Wish you was here.